Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel and hello. Today is my off day. It's on Saturday and yeah, I'm gonna do some few things here and there in the house. I washed some clothes, so I want to fold. I've already folded them actually, and I want to arrange. As you can see, my closet here is not well arranged, so I want to arrange them one by one. So I'm gonna remove everything and then now we start arranging once again. So guys, thank you so much. If you have joined in, if you have subscribed to my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing once again. And yeah, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying put and always supporting me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to tap that notification bell and click on subscribe. So like, comment also to my videos and share if you can. So guys, without further ado, let's start folding our clothes and arranging the closet. And maybe if there is something else that I'm gonna do, I'll show you. Okay, nice.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
has been something. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for clicking in and watching the entire video. I do appreciate. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to hit that notification bell, subscribe, like and comment and share to your family and friends. So guys, without further ado, let me leave you right here right now and see you on the next video. Au revoir. Ciao ciao.